And overflowing blessings to everyone for our daily verse. We are now at Genesis chapter 29, verses 4 up to 6. Jacob asked the shepherd, "Where are you from?" "We're from Haran," they answered. Then he asked, "Do you know Nahor's grandson Laban?" "Yes, we do," they replied. "How is he?" Jacob asked. "He's fine," they answered. "And here comes his daughter Rachel with the sheep." So in this passage, we can read here that Jacob finally meet those shepherds that knew Laban and also knew Nahor. So in this passage, we can also read here that Rachel is already on her way, and those shepherds introduced Rachel to Jacob. See, this is part of the divine intervention of God, wherein God allow and use those shepherds for Jacob to meet his future wife Rachel. See, that's the power of God. He will use people just for Jacob to meet Rachel. Soon, you will meet your wife soon. Just like what happened to Jacob.